It can be a hassle to manage and communicate with all the different stakeholders on your project, especially if there's a ton of moving parts. But there are a few project management tools that you can use that will dramatically improve your ability to coordinate with all of them, regardless of the size of your project. We're gonna check out one of those right now. Hey, I'm Corey. I'm working through the CAPM certification process, and as I learn new material, I'm going to be making videos here to share what I've learned with you. Think of this as a way to kind of supplement your own learning. Like, go through and read the actual material, and then come back here to join the discussion on project management. Let's do this. Some stakeholders are going to need more of your attention than others. Some will need to be managed closely, while others just need to stay informed. To keep track of who falls where, you're going to want to develop a power interest matrix. It's a super useful and super simple graph that is broken down into 4 quadrants, which we will look at in just a second. You may have gotten it from the title of the graph, but what it's going to show you is the relationship between each stakeholder's power to influence your project, along with their interest in your project. Their interest is charted from low to high on the x-axis, and their power to influence your project is charted from low to high on the y-axis. With that in place, we're going to divide the chart into 4 quadrants to make a grid. The bottom left holds stakeholders with low power and low interest. They just need to be monitored, but with minimal effort. The bottom right is for stakeholders with low power and high interest. You need to keep them informed regularly, but not in minute detail. The top left holds stakeholders with high power and low interest. You want to make sure you keep them satisfied. That doesn't mean that you have to do everything they tell you to do. It just means that you need to make sure that they feel heard and that they feel understood. You definitely don't want to ignore someone who's already kind of disinterested in your project and has a lot of power over it. Then the top right is for stakeholders with high power and high interest. You'll need to manage them closely. These are the people who are like super gung-ho about what you are doing and what you're trying to achieve. So make sure you communicate according to their preferences and make sure that they always have all the information they need to keep championing your project. I hope this breakdown is useful to you because the power interest matrix, in my experience, is just super simple to set up, and it's super effective in keeping track of who's interested in your project, who's not, and who can really affect it. You can spend less time thinking about which stakeholder is which and really focus on the work that has to be done. If you like this, try pairing it with what you learned in this video here. See ya.